Melanie with Bedners. Container gardening is one of our most favorite things to do here. We love the flexibility of it, how even if you only have a balcony or a patio, you can garden. If you want to plant some of your own containers and still want some guidance, here are a few quick tips. Come to one of our container workshops. We host different workshops for each season, for spring, summer, and fall, plus some fun ones throughout the year with different themes. You can also sign up for a custom container appointment. During that appointment, you have our staff's undivided attention to help you design the perfect creation and then plant it right at our potting station. You can also choose from our selection of freshly planted grab-and-go container gardens. We plant hundreds of these for spring and then continuously plant fresh ones all summer and fall. Get creative with seasonal changeouts too. For example, your mixed container for spring might have daffodils in it or tulips with some pussy willow sticks. Then you can swap those out in the summer with heat-loving plants like angelonia and a Pennisetum rubrum grass. Then in the fall, you can switch that out again with things like mums or pansies, and even add small pumpkins and gourds in, a fun ghost on a stake. Another tip is don't be afraid to cut plants back. Some plants don't play as nice with the others, and they will start to just take over. Like potato vine. A lot of people, if you planted that, you know it can take over. You're not going to hurt anything if you cut that back. And really, all of the other plants in your container are going to grow so much better if you do. Also, make sure to feed your plants. Our favorite is Jack's Blossom Booster. So you add a scoop to your watering can about once per week, and sometimes even twice per week. You can fertilize later in the summer when the roots are more developed. Container gardening is so much fun, and our goal is that you experience that joy and that you're successful. So we are always here to help you, and we hope to see you soon.